The road wound, weaved, and snaked below us through the gray, ragged mountain peaks. Wind howled up from the valley, rustling the green vegetation that sprouted between the rocky landscape. My fiancé and I stood 2,238 feet above sea level at the start of the road known as MA 2141. We leaned against a short wooden guardrail and gazed down at the ever-winding road beneath us. The Mediterranean Sea loomed beyond the mountain peaks. My heart raced as the wind whipped against my cheeks. At the bottom of the road, we knew, lay Mallorca's secret beach. The Mediterranean Sea beckoned at the end of the road. After parking our car, we trekked east along a seaside trail, trudged through 2 hand-carved, pitch-black tunnels, and glimpsed at the royal blue waters along the way. After a few hundred meters, we emerged at the secret beach.